Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by rebooting into safe mode so Defender can run without interference. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, choose Restart Now. Once the blue menu appears, pick Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and Startup Settings, Restart. When prompted, press 4 or F4 for safe mode, or 5/F5 for safe mode with networking. This step isolates Windows components, so scans run more reliably, and malware can't block Defender. Once you're in safe mode, you must start Windows Security so Defender can act. You open Start, type Windows Security, and launch the app. Make sure you run it normally. There's no special safe mode version. Next, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then choose Scan Options. Select Full Scan for a thorough sweep or Microsoft Defender Offline Scan to remove stubborn threats. Also check Virus and Threat Protection settings and toggle Real-Time Protection on so Defender actively blocks anything found. You now run the scan and confirm cleanup. Start the full or offline scan and let it finish. Offline scans may reboot and take extra time. When the scan completes, open the scan history and review detected items, choose Quarantine or Remove as instructed, and restore only if you're certain a file is safe. If Defender fails to start, make sure Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service and Windows Security Service are running. If not, start them and rerun the scan, then reboot back to normal mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.